Namaste. In this video we are going to see 6 essential asanas for beginners. So these asanas you can practice any time of the day. These asanas will bring mobility to the joints, activates our nervous system and improves our breath capacity and strengthens the heart. So first one is Virabhadrasana Warrior 1. So once you stand straight, you can spread your feet. Approximately once you lift your hand, your wrist and your ankle, they are aligned. Then from there you can turn your right foot, then turn your left foot. So square the hips toward the right leg. Now bring your palms in Namaste, then lift your arms up toward the ceiling. Good. Then bend at your right knee. Now look down that your knee and your ankle they are aligned. The hips are as much as possible square, the rib cage is back. So you'll hold. If it is discomfort to bring the palm and bring the back leg on the mat, the heel to the mat, then you can lift your heel up, keep the back leg straight. You can shuffle with the front foot and give a nice stretch to the back of the leg, active thighs and hold. If you want, you can separate your hands and breathe. 7 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Watch that you are lifting from the rib cage, sucking the lower belly slightly in, lower rib cage back. You are not arching your upper back, so try to keep it back and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now slowly make your knees straight, bring your palms on the hip, then turn your right foot to the front, turn your left foot. Again align your body, turning the left foot, turning the right foot. Good. Then bring your palms in Namaste, lift your arms up. Again, if you want to lift your heel, that's perfect. You can lift and bend at your knee. Look down is straight. You are not overlocking the knee. If you want, you can shuffle with your left foot a little bit front, squaring the hips, black leg is straight. Do not bend the knee. Keep it active, like you are pressing your toes to the floor and your entire left leg is active. Then again lift your arms up, hold, breathe. If you are comfortable, you can bring your palms in Namaste and you can connect your back heel. Otherwise just keep it up. Keep on breathing. 2, 3, 4. Just feel the activity which is happening in the legs, in the core, in the chest. 6, back leg is straight. 7, nice. Now slowly make your knees straight, bring your palms on the hips, turn your foot to the front. If your stance is too wider, just walk in with your feet, then bend at your right knee and walk back. Good. So this is strengthening the whole body in the legs and our core, our chest and our heart, breathing in everything. Next one, you will go for a hip opening and activating our shoulders also. So Prasarita Padottanasana C. Spread your legs. Same as our ankle and our wrist, they are almost aligned. Then bring your palms behind your back, interlace your fingers. So you are interlacing the fingers. If it is too much for you, you can hold your elbow. That's also fine. Good. Now, once we hold here, now roll the shoulders, lift your chest up. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly start folding forward, stretching the arms behind your back. Now, if it is too much for your legs, then you can slightly bend your knee. Keep on pushing your belly to the thigh. Try to bring your chest down, then the head towards the floor. Good. Simultaneously stretch your arms behind your back. Taking care of your scapulas and shoulders, go down. Release your hands and hold 7 deep breaths. 1. Feel the nice stretching back of your legs. Watch the blood flow. Blood is rushing towards your head, activating our brain cells. 3, 4. If you mentally relax your muscles, you can go more deeper into the asana, releasing the arms behind the back. 5, 6, 7. Good. Now slowly lift your head up. Roll the shoulders back. Gently come up. Good. And walk slightly in, bending your right knee, walking back. So these two asanas, Virabhadrasana Warrior 1 and spread leg pose. This is very good for activating our legs, our torso and our arms. Then we will go for sitting position. So come to sitting position slowly. Once you sit comfortably, then from here you will go for forward fold. Again, this is one of the essential asana, Paschimottanasana, to activate our back of the body, activating our belly. So if it is too much, when you fold forward, if it is stretching too much painful, you can slightly bend at your knee. That's perfect. So from here, keep the body straight. Then lift your arms up. Then slowly start folding forward. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Either you can hold the outer edge of the feet or you can hold from the front. But in any case, just watch that you are not pinching or hunching your shoulders or pressing it toward the neck. So roll the shoulders away from the ears. Concentrate on the lower belly. Keep on pushing the lower belly, then middle of the belly, then chest. Come forward. You can bend your knee. That's perfect, no problem. But still you can feel the nice stretching, the sensation which is happening. Be focused, be breathing, keep on breathing. So automatically it will start releasing the tension from the back of the leg. Now hold. You can close your eyes. Do not drop your head down. Head is aligned with the spine. Release the shoulders away from the ears. Breathe. Ekam. Bring your attention towards your calf muscles. Mentally try to relax them. They're active, but there is no pain. Back of your knees and your hamstring muscles. Make them relaxed. Be aware of your lower back. Try to lift your chest slightly up. Push your belly front so you can feel the activity in your lower back near to your lumbar spine. Then bring your attention towards the scapula and the shoulder. Maybe we are tightening too much. Try to release them. Get elbows are active. Just watch your neck and head. They are not tensed. Forehead is relaxed. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Good. Gently open your eyes, stretch your arms and come up using the core support. Then release your arms down. Wonderful. Now from here, we'll go for twisting, activating our spinal cord, activating our internal organs of the belly. Very simple one, simple asana, but very effective one. So we'll go for Vakrasana. Bend at your right knee. Right foot by the side of the left knee, or you can keep it out according to your comfortability. Once you hold, then if you are bending your right knee, bring your right palm back. So I'll adjust a little bit here. Once you bring the hand, where to place it? This is your spine, so straight to spine on the floor in a cup shape or in a flat palm. That's fine, but do not lean back. This will not give any result of the asana. So once you hold, keep the spine straight. Either you can hold like this or you can hook completely. Now once you hold, inhale, breathe in, lift your chest up, release with exhalation, release from the navel, your belly button, and twist and look back. If neck is hurting, you can look front. Now once you get into the final position, close your eyes and breathe. 1, 2, be aware of your belly. Try to twist a little more with the exhalation. Feel the nice churning sensation in the internal organs. With next breath, feel your lungs, your heart. Feel the expansion of the chest as you inhale. As you exhale, chest is contracting, breathing out all the carbon dioxide. One more deep breath. Good. And gently turn your head to front. Release your left arm. Unfold your right leg. Same practice, other side, bend at your left knee, left foot by the side of the right knee, left knee is facing up. Either you can hook like this or you can hook with the hand. Before that, once you hold the knee, bring your left palm behind your back, straight your spine on the floor in a cup shape or flat palm without leaning back. Now lift your chest with inhalation. As you exhale, twist Keep your other leg, no dead leg. Try to keep it active. Twist and look back. Again, you can close your eyes if you are comfortable. Breathe deeply. 1, 2, 3. Bring your attention towards your spine. From tailbone to your neck, feel the nice twisting in the spine, especially your vertebrae. They are working very well, activating our central nervous system. 5, 6, 7. Nice. Gently turn your head to front. Release your right arm, release your left arm, release your leg. Last 2 more asanas, then we'll finish. Now slowly, with control, lay down upon your back. So we'll go again with the chest opening, activating our legs, activating our spine. Setubandhasana, simple bridge pose. So bend at your knees, spread your feet, your hip width apart, toes are facing front. Your knee and ankle, they are straight. Do not keep it too much front, not heels to the buttock. Try to just adjust yourself. Inner thighs, your quadriceps, they are active completely. Now place your arms by the side of the body. Now press your feet, active thigh muscles, and slowly start lifting from your pelvis. Lift, lift, lift. Roll your shoulders if you are comfortable. Interlace your fingers and open your chest as much as possible. Do not lean front. Try to bring your chest toward the face, pelvis towards the ceiling. Hold. 1. Just watch the activity in your thigh muscles, in your lower back, in your belly and chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Vertebra by vertebra, slowly release your spine to the floor. Hug your legs towards your chest. Nice. Last asana, we'll go for the shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. If you have any neck issues, be careful in this asana. So you can slowly bend your knees towards your chest and slowly lift and come up. Good. Now bring your arms back, roll your shoulders, support near to your scapula, keep it straight. 7 breaths here. If it is too much pressure on the neck, then you can bring your hands near to the edge of the hip. You can hold here also. So if you are comfortable, go with complete version or hold here. 1, 2, 3. Feel the nice blood flow towards your head. This asana is very good for menstrual problems. Releasing the stress is very good for varicose veins. Activating our medulla oblongata, the brain switch. 5, 6, 7. Good. Now gently bring your knees towards your forehead. With control, gently come down. Good. Stretch your legs. If you have time, then you can go for few minutes of relaxation, or you can gently turn to one side, towards your right side especially. Then bending the knee, pressing the palms, slowly come to sitting position. Sit for few deep breaths. You can cross your legs. Keep your both hands upon your knees in Chin Mudra and just breathe. Just watch the whole process of 6 asanas. Bring your palms in Anjali Mudra in Namaste. We will chant one Om to complete. Breathe in. Om. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you for joining me with the practice. So this 6 asanas is early in the morning. If you do, is again, it brings the energy, it makes you ready for the whole day. In the evening, if you practice, it will calm down, it will relax after the whole day's activity. So you can choose in the afternoon, also in the lunch break, you can do it. Only one request, if you have heavy food, just give at least 2 to 3 hours before practicing all these 6 asanas. Wish you best practice. Thank you. Namaste.